Amigos, amigas, I'm Leny, your chef at your service here at Leny's Cooking, without looking, but with feelings. Hello guys, I'm here again, and of course, as I've said, I'm actually wanted to have a healthy recipe because we have to eat healthy food, especially nowadays. I want to practice healthy living, okay? This time what I'm going to do, I'm going to bake fish, and this fish, here in Spain we call it Lobina. It's like milk fish, but they call it casiba. This is the one. According to my chef nephew, this is casiba. What I'm going to do is a European dish. What I'll be needing for baked casiba or lobina, I have here, of course, the fish. This is the lobina or casiba. And I have the onion. I have here the asparagus. Also, I have here the cherry tomato. And of course, I have here romero, or we call it rosemary, no? Romero. And then this one, the garlic powder. Of course, I have here the black pepper. I'll be also using salt, and of course olive oil. I'm going to wrap this with a aluminum foil. Okay? Those are the ingredients that we will be needing for our baked casiba or baked lobina. Guys, actually this is a very simple recipe. It's very easy to do. So start chopping the end part of the asparagus. This asparagus is quite big. So I'm going to remove this one then like that. So I'll just continue doing that, removing this part of this asparagus. Asparagus is really nutritious, and this is good, especially for those people who are suffering diabetes. I'm like that, but not that worst. It's just I have to eat healthy food, especially the veggies. I avoid sweets. I'm a person who actually have healthy living. I know I could overcome this trial on my health, but I don't feel anything bad. It's just I don't know why I have the sugar. It's very high. It can control actually by doing exercise and another. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we're finished with the asparagus. I have lots of asparagus. I love asparagus. So right now, I have here the cherry tomato. So I'm going to cut it in the middle part like that. Cherry tomato here in Spain, it's very sweet. I love cherry tomato. I just eat as it is. I'll just continue cutting the other cherry tomato. Okay. This time, I'm going to chop the onion. Red onion here also, it's sweet. I remember the onion in the Philippines, it's quite small. Here, the onion is really sweet, and you could eat that onion with a salad, and you could taste the sweetness of the onion. I'm going to chop this into small pieces, okay, like that. Divide it into 4 parts. According to my nephew, chop it into small pieces, okay, like that, okay. So the last part, this is the last part of the onion that we actually cut. Okay, I'm chopping this last part, okay. That's it. Okay, it's done. It's almost done. Okay, I have small piece. Okay, that's it. So guys, I have here the foil. I put it here on the top of the baking dish. So I'm going to put first the oil on top of the foil, okay. Okay, and then I'm going to put the asparagus, okay? So I have the fish, the lobina or the casiba. So this is the casiba or the lobina here in Spain. This is actually 4 pieces. This is actually already deboned, okay? So like that. So I'm gonna put the salt first. You will just calculate the salt or the salt. Okay, salt in Spanish, salt in English. Okay, and then we will also massage the fish with the garlic powder. Okay, the rosemary, we have here the rosemary. Okay, massage the fish with rosemary or romero. We call it romero or rosemary. So more. After this, we will put the black pepper. I'll just spread this also, black pepper. Oh, it seems so delicious with this spices that we will be putting with this fish. Wow, it's so yummy. what? I avoid eating meat. Actually, I already practice it and I'm happy because I'm not craving. Okay? But I miss again. Maybe I could eat once in a while. Adobo. And then, after this, ako already garlic powder. Any type of dish, I want the garlic. Okay, garlic and onion. And then after this, we will put the onion and the cherry tomato on top of this, the fish. Okay? Okay, I have the onion on top of this. I'm going to put the onion. We will put it on top. You could put also ginger if you want, but me, this is actually enough. So we will bake this actually 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to put also the olive oil. Okay. And then the tomato. I put it on top. Okay. With these ingredients that we have. Cherry tomato. And also the onion and the spices that we put. We have lots of asparagus. So I'm going to wrap it like that. I think I have, okay, that's enough. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to put it right now on the oven. Okay guys, we will put now the Lobina or kasiba here in the oven. I'm going to open the oven. I already preheat it in 180 degrees. Okay, we will bake it in 30 or 20 to 30 minutes. Okay? See you later. So guys, it's actually cooked. So I'm going to turn off the oven. It's cooked. I will check. Too hot. So it's here. Later I'm going to open it and reveal it later. So guys, it's actually here. I removed the foil there and then I have another foil, so I already removed the other foil. Okay, come and join us. Let's eat. Guys, look, this is mine. I'm going to eat my asparagus and this kasiba fish, or we call it here in Spain, Lobina. So I bake it and I'll try. The cherry tomato. I love it. And then I have here the fish. It's so yummy, guys. Really, I like the taste and put all the ingredients that I put here. I'm giving you a guarantee. It's really delicious. I love it. It's juicy. It's not dry. Thanks, Aldrin, for this recipe. I love it. I have here the asparagus as well. Wow. Really yummy. It really blends with this fish, everything. Delicious, really. This is how I eat. I don't eat rice, just this fish, the veggies, and the salad. Okay guys, for all of you who wants to bake or who wants to cook like what I did, just visit my YouTube channel, Cooking Without Looking with Yummy Leny. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my other videos. Thanks to all of you who watch my recipe every time and my videos in my channel. Bye for now. Hasta luego. Enjoy my recipe. Bye for now. Adios todos. Bye.